Stitch is gonna be a YouTuber. Put a ukulele instrumental behind it. Dun, 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 dun.
Yeah!
Where's the camera? Troy's FaceTiming me.
Okay.
Hey Troy.
Say hi.
What the heck? Are you doing a video?
This is a new segment called putting shit in a microwave.
This is probably a bad idea. Let's do it.
Let's do it. What are we gonna put in first, Colin?
Hannah's work papers.
Okay, so we've got Hannah's work papers and we're just gonna put them in the microwave right now.
For how long?
How long do you wanna? Maybe like a minute.
This is a bad idea.
This is a real bad idea.
And that concludes this segment of putting shit in the microwave.
Comment below what we should put in a microwave next time. We should do a fork.
Or an egg.
Or an egg. Now we're getting Dunkin' Donuts for the 4th day in a row.
We're gonna get freaking fat, dude.
Hey Colin, what are the odds that you jump in the middle of the road?
1 to 10.
3, 2, 1, 6. Well, that was fun. We're back here again.
Do you know how blind we are?
Why, how?
Have you ever noticed this?
The pipe?
Yeah.
What about it?
It's just always been there, and I've never noticed it. Because you're so close-minded, you're just like, oh, I'm gonna go over here, and you just walk to the door. That's Colin's segment of the day.
2 guys doing laundry.
Bow bow. Put an explosion, and then put, laundry.
So do we put ducks and whites together, does it matter?
I don't know, because I've done it without. We should call somebody.
Yeah, we should call.
Can we phone a friend?
Should I FaceTime my mom and be like, hey?
Be like, hey, how do we do laundry?
So, we're FaceTiming my mom because we don't know how to do laundry.
You're shut up.
Shut up.
Well, why don't you just turn it all inside out and wear it again?
That's what I've been doing.
You want to say hi to the vlog, Mum?
Not really.
Yeah, you do. This is my mom. You guys haven't met my mom yet.
Hi.
This is kind of embarrassing. Why are we putting this on the internet? All right, I think we're good.
Thank you.
Love you.
Love you too, bye.
Bye.
Yeah, dude.
Get it, Josh. Be sexy. Okay, that's too sexy. I'm tired.
Okay, we're cleaning. It's clean day. We're cleaning. Let's do it.
What is this? What's going on?
Did you put that there?
No, I thought you put that there. Somebody's watching.
That's a
it.
camera.
Oh my! If you're watching this, hit like and subscribe.
Why not, right? Get it? Ah!
I really like this candle. We should smell it. Right?
Something big just happened. Colin is gonna be a dad. Nah, Colin just hit 9K.
I did it!
High five, dude.
Bad joke. Bad joke.
Yes!
Wasn't even close.
That close. You were that close. Say hi.
Hi.
Ooh, ooh, she was gonna punch me. Ooh, punch me, Hannah, do it. I dare you. I dare you. Ow. God. Colin.
Josh, what are you gonna do? Spray the hairspray in your tongue.
In the video like this, are we? Okay.
15. 1, 2, 3.
9.
Oh! Dang it.
See you guys tomorrow. Hey, wait, what the?
I'm a superhero.